morning, everyone. First off, ain't this crown, y'all? All natural. The salt and pepper is doing what it needs to do. Okay, let me show y'all my outfit of the day. Just a simple red t-shirt and some shorts. I got the shirt from Walmart and the shorts from Temu. And yes, you see, I am blessed, friend. And I hope you are too. And I'm wearing a stack that I made. You know I told y'all that I make my own jewelry. But I'm feeling this. All natural crown on my head. And it comes from this little, right here in this bottle that I made. Okay? Y'all be blessed and not stressed. Okay?